Hello everyone, in the previous video I was in the middle of introducing our Facebook account, right? So in this video today, I will continue to introduce more features to you. There are some common functions like posting, commenting or messaging, which I have already made quite a few videos about in the past. But in this video, I will introduce you to some other very useful features as well. Before we get to those, for example, right here you have the specific account unlocking feature. For instance, we have the account unlocking feature on our side of the software. This particular feature will help you unlock accounts that are currently facing errors 956 and 282. Error 956 is for accounts that are sent back to email verification, like when you need to enter a specific code sent to your email to unlock the account. Our software can definitely help you with that process. You just need to wait about 30 seconds for the code to arrive, select the CAPTCHA, or simply resend the code if you haven't received the email yet. But to solve this, you must have full access to the email and the email password, and you also need to get the email token. However, our software can automatically get the email token for you, so you don't need to worry too much about that part. 3. Next, there is the 282 feature. Error 282 means you need to verify your face. For example, if your account gets hit with error 282, like these 6 accounts here, you just need to select the account, then choose the CAPTCHA options. Or if it is related to the SIM card, but the SIM isn't that important here because 282 is just about facial recognition. You just need to select the images here, click OK, and it will resend the number or solve the 282 error for you. Our software can automatically solve the CAPTCHA for you, automatically map your face and unlock the account for you completely. That is the account function feature. For example, with account function, when you buy a Facebook account or create a new one, sometimes the name isn't exactly what you want. You have to remember that each Facebook account is like a professional sales account for you, so you really need to make sure everything is set up properly, from the avatar and profile to the name and age, right? In our software, there is a feature that allows you to customize all the profile sections as you wish. For example, you can change them using a UID. UID here means, for instance, you convert your Facebook link to a UID and then just paste it in here. You just need to convert your Facebook link, change it to a UID, and then simply paste that UID directly into our software. So for synchronizing all these accounts, for example, if you name your account Alex, then all the accounts will be changed to Alex, the name, avatar, everything. Basically, it depends on what you select in this section. If you don't want them all to have the same name, you can manually change them. For example, you can enter different names here. It's simple. Just go to JPT and get a list of names to use. Next is the avatar file batch. Avatars are also very simple. For example, if you're in Southeast Asia, you're probably familiar with Pinterest. You can get a bunch of images from there and just drop them in here. Then there's an interesting and important part, which is the cover photo. When customers visit your profile, they still want to know what you like right away, right? So you can display the cover photo, and as soon as customers see it, it can have your name, phone number, and all your information. Customers will use that to contact you. Then there's the bio section. The bio is where you can add more information about the user. You can put your main contact information there. For example, for some of your secondary accounts, you can write something like, if you have any issues, please contact me, or mention product source samples, or ask people to contact you through WhatsApp, Telegram, or your Facebook link. Here, you can also switch your website or update your address, or you can hide all the tasks or posts or all your articles. But I recommend that you just hide those posts instead of deleting them, because if you delete all your posts, your account is very likely to be flagged for verification or get hit with error 282 and similar issues. Now, for example, you can also set up the account right away, like changing the thumbnail, updating the friend list, or transferring everything. Whatever people can do, the new features on this side will help you do it faster and more efficiently. And everything is automated, so you don't have to do much. You just need to add a photo, name, cover image, bio, and you're done. Or you can add your website address and other details. It's up to you. Then in this section, there's a post function, for example. So when you get a new account, right, then you'll run into a problem, which is that there are no posts, right? So you can get all the posts you want. For example, you can set it up so that you can retrieve all the posts you want. Here, you just need to get a part of your profile UID, like I just showed you earlier, and then just paste it right here. Then if you want to know how many posts each UID has made on their personal page, you can do that here. You can also set the maximum number of posts per UID. For example, if you put in 5 UIDs here and you want to get about 5 posts from each UID, you can do that too. After that, you can adjust the time, the remote link, or set it to only post those with images, so it will only post if there's an image. Or you can convert all those videos into reels, then turn all of that into your own hashtags. See, everything works just like a real person would. Of course, when your accounts are new, their posts are definitely going to be pretty random and meaningless. So you can use the account function section mentioned earlier to completely hide all of your previous old posts, and then use the post function within the account function to post new content. For example, you can post content that builds your personal brand, posts that look like they're from a real person, just like your own sales profile. First, this will make your profile significantly more professional and stronger. Second, it helps customers recognize exactly who you are. From there, in this setup section for example, you can batch change passwords, switch languages, like switching everything to English or Vietnamese. Currently, the software mainly supports English and Vietnamese. However, for languages, there are actually a lot of options here, like Thai, Dutch, Japanese, Korean, and a wide variety of many more languages. Additionally, in the general settings, you can change who can like your posts, accept tag requests, or decide who can see your posts. All of these specific controls are available right here. So in this account section, when you buy an account, right? After you just Walmart your account, use the account function to change all information at once to ensure that everything stays consistent. Additionally, within this function, there is a feature that lets you join groups directly. For example, I use a tool to scan all groups to join and post content whenever I need to. Or you can have it join groups based on keywords, for example, just like that for instance.